Jim Hawk Truck Trailers is proud to sell some of the finest trailers in the country. We're delighted to offer you the new 2017 Great Dane Freedom XP aluminum flatbeds. Reliability and weight consciousness describe this trailer. Designed for strength and durability, the Freedom XP maximizes payload versatility while weighing in as one of the industry's lightest all-aluminum flatbeds. The stock 48-foot model weighs in at 9,000 pounds, nearly 1,200 pounds lighter than comparable combo steel aluminum trailers. Some special features of the Freedom XP are 48-foot and 53-foot lengths available, floor rating of 52,000-pound load, 60,000-pound rating available as an option, Hendrickson Air Ride Suspension with fixed spread or sliding rear axle to achieve California legal specs, 22.5 LP Bridgestone tires on aluminum wheels, aluminum 1.25-inch floor with safety grip and 2 Apatong nail strips, GD65 landing gear, aluminum cross members on 16-inch centers, 2-piece riveted main beam design. This split beam is engineered for lightweight, superior strength, and optimal swing clearance. There are also non-standard add-on options available. Please contact your nearest Jim Hawk location for full details on the 2017 Great Dane Freedom XP aluminum flatbeds.